Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the paint type because the solvent you use changes everything. Once done, put on gloves, goggles, and a respirator, safety first, then pour a controlled amount of solvent, 5–10% mineral spirits for oil or 1/2 cup paint conditioner per quart for latex. Stir slowly to avoid whipping air. You want to rehydrate the binders, not aerate them. Make sure to work in a ventilated area. This step dissolves skin and softens hardened chunks so you can move to mechanical breaking next. Now you mechanically break down the softened paint with a paint mixer or wide putty knife. Push and fold rather than whipping because forceful agitation traps air. Once lumps are reduced, add solvent in tiny increments, 1 to 2 tablespoons at a time, and stir between additions, testing flow often. Let the can rest for 15 to 30 minutes so pigments and binders rehydrate evenly. This is why patience matters. If it still feels gritty, repeat gentle breaking and resting cycles until the texture smooths and the viscosity matches fresh paint. Finish by filtering the reconditioned paint through a 60-100 mesh screen or a commercial paint strainer. This removes residual skins and debris. Then you test on a scrap board. Look for even coverage, no pilling, and correct flow. If needed, thin more in measured amounts to achieve manufacturer viscosity. Make sure to label the container with type and date. If you still see separation, foul odor, or poor film formation, stop, use a stripper, or dispose. Mixing unknown degraded paint risks a ruined finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.